Our proposed budget every year is always a faithful reflection of our strategic priorities under the Bago Pilipinas brand of governance. The items discussed today are part and parcel of a larger effort to improve tax administration efficiency, deliver more responsive public service delivery, and provide economic prosperity for the Filipino people. Thus, for next year, our expenditures amount to 17.4 billion pesos a day, of which 12.72 billion pesos per day will be financed by revenue collections, and the rest, 4.68 billion pesos by loans, every 24 hours. Ganito po kabigat ang kailangan gawin ng DOF kada 24 oras. With our minuscule proposed budget of only 33.75 billion pesos for next year. BIR will receive the largest share of the budget, totaling 17.68 billion pesos. Kung tutusin, sulit na sulit po ang budget na ito ng BIR dahil sila ay aatasan kumolekta ng 3.23 trillion pesos in revenues next year. Ang 17.68 billion pesos na budget ay koleksyon lang nila sa loob ng 2 araw. Ang DOC naman ay may proposed budget na 5.66 billion lang kumpara sa kokolekting nilang 1.06 trillion pesos sa susunod na taon. Ang halaga nito ay koleksyon lang nila sa loob ng 48 oras, 2 araw. Ang ating kagawaran ng Ingat Yaman o BTR ay may budget allocation na 6.46 billion pesos kumpara sa bigat ng kanilang responsibilidad na punan ang 1.54 trillion na deficit sa 2025. We will ensure that every peso is being stretched to deliver the biggest bang per buck for the Filipino people. Much like our triumphant Olympians, we will always go for the gold.